Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Learn English with Shelly Viva. Today we will learn how to form questions using to be in the present simple tense. So let's get started. In order to form questions with to be in the present simple tense, we need the correct form of to be plus the subject plus the rest of the sentence. For example, am I late? Am I late? Am is the correct form of be. I is the subject. And the rest of the sentence is late. Notice how for am, the subject would be I. Okay? Now moving on to is. Is he available? Or you can say, is she available? Or is it available? Once again, here for the correct form of to be is, and the subject can be he, she, or it. Okay? And then lastly, we have, are you ready to go? Are we ready to go? Or are they ready to go? Once again, are is the correct form of to be in this case, and our subject can be you, we, or they, and then we have the rest of the sentence. Now let's see some more examples with pictures. The first one is, are they friendly? Are they friendly? Is it available? Is it available? Notice how when you ask a question, you're supposed to raise your voice at the end. Okay? Like, is it available? Good job. Am I on the waiting list? Am I on the waiting list? Are we lost? Are you Greek? Are you Greek? Or you can also ask, are you from Greece? Are you from Greece? Is he your grandfather? Is she your grandmother? Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this video was really helpful. And for more videos like this, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you guys soon.